When I arrived this morning, I saw a ton of boats out there. Figured they were doing a tournament, and I did a little fish along with it. I didn't pay for the entry. I didn't win any money, but these bass are tiny. Got one though on the old Googan Scout, little jerk bait. Green is good. I was not expecting that catch. So, making a game time decision. I've caught 3 or 4 on the jerkbait in this all white kind of almost see-through pattern, and I've got a ton of followers with this little dark back. So what I'm gonna do is change up the color to an all white, see if that helps. Adjusting on the fly. I think we might do all right. See how it goes. Baby. A little sport. Woo! Yeah, you've been chasing shit. Not a bad one on the dummy. I was gonna get one on. There we go. There's the size I was looking for. Come on, play with it. Play with it. Come on. Oh my God. Jesus. Oh my God. Oh wow. That's funny. That's a nice size fish. All right. Funny story time. Off camera, I got stuck on a line, and it happened to be this lipless red crankbait. So I made the switch to a Fritz-side, which is just a flat-sided crankbait. Ended up pulling out this chunky boy right here, or girl, excuse me, chunky girl right here. Let's get a weight on him. Pounds, 0. 402 on the dot. Let's go, baby. Good bass. Good bass. He'll do well for us today. with the no look. The no look. Oh man. I wasn't even paying attention. That's funny. Another one falls victim to the red crankbait. I found this stretch of bank that's a little deeper, and it's got a lot of natural rocks and wood and whatnot. And now I'm just kind of parallel on the bank and then beating it up as I go down. This guy's not big, but pretty chunky. Heck yeah! Add him to the bag. All right, let's see how we did. First, I'm gonna get the empty bag weight. 94. All right, let's see what these babies are doing. Can he? $9.47. Let's go see what these other guys got. I'll let these boys go. Let's see how it goes. So I don't know if you heard all the way right there, but I won. The winning bag was 9 pounds, 0.03 ounces, and I had 9.47. And big fish was 390, and mine was 4 and some change.